Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Shein app. So first of all, you would have to get it, and in order to get it we need to open up our Play Store or App Store. After that we need to search for it by typing Shein online shopping or Shein app, and then just click on it. After that install it, and you would be able to open it up afterwards. And this is how it will look like after you open it up. You can check different categories on the top, which is of women, curve, kids, men, home, beauty. There are various sections over there. You can go into a particular section and get those new items for your home or yourself. And if you want to search for a particular item, you can simply click on the search option on the top. Just click on it and search for any item that you want to purchase, and you would be able to see it. And in case if you want to see the new arrivals, you can just go to the new arrival section over here. You can find different items over here which are trending. You can get them, and in the cart section you will be able to see all the items that you just added to your cart while doing the shopping, and you can just simply go ahead and purchase your cart. In the me section you will be able to see different vouchers, points, and all the money that is in your wallet, and all the details about your orders, like if you have some money that needs to be paid, which will be shown in the unpaid section. If you have ordered something, then your orders will be shown over here too. So in this section of me, you would be able to contact the support of Shein too. So this is how you use Shein app. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.